When you live in New York, you kind of like forget what is the significance of green spaces. I just retired from New York City Transit Authority, so this is my detox. Now I have a garden where I can just come at any time. I'm a community chef, I'm a real chef, and I'm a gardener, so I have something to share. For me, it's an opportunity to educate my community about eating fresh, seasonal, local, and trying to fight all the diet-related diseases that are affecting our communities. I understand the significance of everything surrounding us right here, and I want us to all experience it. You know, it's not all about me, it's about us.